Hello, bonjour. My name is Anthony Fisher and I'm General Manager and Chief Operating Officer of Team Inglasco. Well, Inglasco started over 30 years ago and we are a licensed and custom promotional merchandise company. We're recognized globally as the exclusive puck supplier to the NHL. And really what brought us to have that recognition and be the official supplier to these leagues is our ability to customize product. So outside of hockey pucks, we have an array of licensed merchandise as well as customized merchandise that we offer our customers. As a custom printer, Inglasco has a number of different print capabilities, including silkscreen, digital, heat transfer, and we were looking to expand our capabilities not only with our existing products, but also to bring in some new products and expand into different categories. We saw hydro print as a great way to do that, as a cost-effective way, and really brings a unique finish to products that are exciting to the consumer. Liquid Customs was the right choice for us, and we've had Liquid Customs here with us for over a week on site, doing some training with our key individuals here, and we're really excited for the future. With Inglasco's infrastructure, we're well positioned for large orders as well as custom orders as small as 1 and 2. With Inglasco's existing capabilities, warehousing, pick, pack, shipping, our distribution network, we're really well positioned with Liquid Customs to bring this hydrographics to the market.